guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the STUSSY Converse 1-Star Pro. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and as well, it takes time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Converse STUSSY 1-Star Pro. We got this in the green flash colorway, in UK size 8, it's European 42.5, and it's US men's 9. So I'm really excited to do this because I mean STUSSY is probably one of the greatest streetwear brands ever, and it's, you know, it's having a time right now here in fashion, I guess. Loads of people are wearing STUSSY. I mean, I've seen more people queue at the STUSSY store than they do at like Supreme, which is crazy. I would have never thought that a couple of years back, but you know, STUSSY is heralded as one of the greatest brands, and it has every right to, in my opinion. And this sneaker itself, I mean, they've done previous collaborations with Converse before. There is the 1-Star with like the STUSSY star, which is really dope. They've done Converse High with that tribal print. Yeah, so it's not the first time that STUSSY and Converse have worked together. And this is a really dope collab in my opinion. And we'll get unboxed right now. And here it is. Very dope sneaker. I really like it. I'm a big fan of the green. So we're going to get into all the details of the sneaker, and let's start with the outsole. So the outsole is your typical Converse outsole, all rubber. It's a cup sole as well. You know what you're getting with this cup sole. Oh, sorry, with the rubber outsole. The midsole unit is the cup sole, so it's a rubber cup sole all around. I'm just a bit disappointed that they didn't do anything with its back tab, because it's just a normal Cons tab right there. They could have like STUSSY'd it up with the print. But you're going to get a lot of the lettering, which I'll show you right now. So if you look at the upper, you've got this flash green color, and it's a hairy suede all around sneaker. It's the main build of the sneaker. So if you look all around, it's this beautiful hairy suede. And what's going to be the most interesting, most striking part of the sneaker itself is that 8 ball right there on the lateral side. It's stitched on. For those, so if you don't know, STUSSY is one of their imagery, is iconic imagery, is their 8 ball, and it's right there, print is on for you. And if you look at the medial side, you can see a faint stitch of the Converse star logo right there. And if you look at the tongue, so you get black laces, you get white laces, you got a hairy tongue, hairy suede tongue, I mean, and you got the all-star lettering in the STUSSY font. So for those, you know, familiar with the STUSSY lettering, it says all-star in that STUSSY lettering. And if you look at the inside of the tongue, so like if you look at the inner, it's more or less a canvas, textile lining all around the sneaker. And then if you look behind the tongue, it says STUSSY logo. And if you look at the insole, you got STUSSY Converse, and in this foam insole for the cushioning. And this is honestly one of the most underrated silhouettes from Converse, in my opinion. Everyone knows the Converse High, All-Star High, and the All-Star Low, but the 1-Star is very, very under the radar, low key. But STUSSY, they've done a collaboration with the 1-Star in the past before. They've done like a normal black canvas one with their star in the shape of like a STUSSY, how STUSSY would do actually. And this is the first one in hairy suede from STUSSY, so it's proper dope. I'm a big fan of the 1-Star, as I mentioned before. But like years ago, we've done a review on the 1-Star when I thought it was at its height. I think that was when Tyler the Great actually started wearing 1-Star Pros. Do check that out and get to see young me. But these are very dope in and of itself. Very nice colorway. STUSSY again, like I wear STUSSY, big brands that's hitting the streets. And I mean, it's always been in the streets, and loads of people are just picking it up now. It's really cool. All that said, let's try these on for you. Roll that footage of me trying these STUSSY 1-star pros with you. When it comes to the sizing, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Converse fit. When it comes to Converses, I typically get a 7 or a 7.5. If I want a more tight feel, I'll get a 7, but really and truly, I should be getting 7.5s. This is UK size 8. I mean, it does fit, but my toes feel like it's not reaching the top. It's not slipping off the back, so I guess the 8 is good because it's quite a slim fit, but I wish if I want to get a tight fit, maybe I should have got 7.5, but that's just myself. I do like these on. I'm obviously a big advocate for STUSSY's clothing and apparel, so just wearing these are pretty dope, styles. And we love Converses. Here at Oneupreviewz, I think that Converses are our bread and butter, and if anyone from Converse is watching, and we know that you are, throw some pairs for your boys. We're happy to review some more Converses. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.